First problem is Amit saw Hindi movie for 2 and 3 by 4 hours and an English movie for 1 and 7 by 8 hours on his DTH. How much time did he spend for watching the movies? So how much time did he spend for watching the movies? So first of all we will write time spent for Hindi movie, that is 2 and 3 by 4 hours. We will change it into the improper. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 4 hours. Next is time spent for English movie, that is 1 and 7 by 8 hours. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 7, that is 15 by 8 hours. So we have to find out the total time spent. So total time spent, that will be 11 by 4 plus 15 by 8. So we will add it up both. First of all take the LCM. LCM will be 8. You can find yourself. LCM will be 8. Now you will divide this denominator by the LCM. 4 2s are 8, so we will multiply numerator by 2. 11 2s are 22 plus 8 divided by 8 is 1, so here we will get only 15. So 22 plus 15, that will be 37 by 8 hours. You can change it into the mixed fraction also. 8 4s are 32, 5 is the remainder and 8 is the divisor. So answer will be 4 and 5 by 8 hours. Next is Meenu read 3/5 of 75 pages of a book. So in a book there are total 75 pages. She read 3/5 of the 75 pages. How many more pages she need to complete? So first of all we will write Meenu read. How many pages she read? 3/5 of 75 pages. So 3/5 of 75 pages. So that will come out to be 3/5 into 75. Do the cancellations. 5 ones are 5, 5 15s are 75. Now we will multiply numerator with the numerator. 15 3s are 45 pages. Now she read 45 pages. Now we have to find how many more pages she need to complete. So more pages to complete, that will be, total pages are 75 and she has read 45. So she need to read 30 more pages to complete it. Next is Diya had 3/4 of a piece of pizza and she wants to cut it into pieces of 1/16 of each. So this is the measurement of the each piece. How many pieces will she get? So she was having 3/4 of a piece of the pizza. So fraction of pizza, that is 3/4. Now she want to cut it into the piece of 1/16 of the measurement. So each piece will be of 1/16 of the measurement. So she will have the number of pieces. So how many number of pieces will she will have? Like you can understand this problem as, suppose आपके पास 10 पिज्जाज हैं, ठीक है, तो आपको हर पिज्जा की जो लेंथ है दैट यू वांट टू बी 2. तो हर पिज्जा का जो पीस है दैट विल बी हैविंग द मेजरमेंट ऑफ 2. तो आपको कितने ऐसे ही पीसेस मिलेंगे? सो व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल जस्ट डू द डिवीजन. सो हियर ऑल्सो वी विल डू द डिवीजन. तो यहाँ पे भी हम डिवीजन करेंगे टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ पीसेस. सो 3/4 डिवाइडेड बाय 1/16. The question is of fraction only, but the same formula we will use here. We will use the division. Now, to do the division, what we have to do, we will change the sign of division in multiplication, और sign change करने के लिए हमें इसका reciprocal लेना पड़ेगा. So it will come out to be 16 by 1. Now we will do the cancellations. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. Now multiply the numerators. So 4 threes are 12. So number of pieces are 12 here. So she will get 12 pieces, each of measurement, that is 1 by 16. Next is Mrs. Khanna bought 2 and 2 by 5 kg of potatoes, 2 kg of onions and 1 and a 2 by 5 kg of tomatoes. Find the total weight she bought. Now this is very simple. You have to just do the addition here. So first of all, you will write down the weight of potatoes. That is 2 and a 2 by 5 kg. I will change it into the improper. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12 by 5 kg. Next is weight of onions. That is 2 kg. So that will be same as 2 by 1 I can write here. Next is weight of tomatoes. Tomatoes is 1 and 2 by 5 kg. So 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 2, 7 by 5 kg. Now what I have to find out? Total weight. So what will be the total weight? So for finding out the total, we have to add all the fractions. 12 by 5, 2 by 1, 7 by 5. Now take the LCM. LCM of this will come out to be 5 here. Now you will add up. Both of these are like fractions. So here it will be 12 plus here will be 7. Now here you will divide 1 by 5. 5 will come. 5 2s are 10. डिनोमिनेटर को एलसीएम से डिवाइड करना है और जो भी आंसर आए उसे हमने मल्टीप्लाई करना है न्यूमरेटर से. दिस थिंग यू हैव टू कीप इट इन योर माइंड. So it will come out to be 29 by 5 kg. Now you can change it into the mixed one. So it will come out to be 5 5s are 25 and 4 will be the remainder. 5 and 4 by 5 kg will be the total weight she bought. I hope you understand it. Thank you so much.